What is up? Today I'll be talking about my favorite coin to buy and hold for the long term. So we're here at the cryptocurrency market.com. The current market capitalization is $592 billion, which is a bit of an increase compared to the past few days. As you can see, all the coins are up. And so yeah, let's get to the coin. My favorite coin to buy and hold, you can trade if you want to, is EOS. So some many people refer to EOS as Ethereum killer, which is, I don't think it's completely true, because they are targeting a bit a different market. Well, basically it's the same market, but with a couple nuances that EOS is much more different than Ethereum in that way. So now, when talking about in terms of trading and investing, EOS has a circulating supply of 613 million coins. And their market capitalization is pretty low. Actually, it's a bit over $7 billion. With its technology potential, I can easily see it at least at $50 billion by June 2018. But who knows? This is what I do. I bought this coin around $7. It's currently at $11. You can still buy it, I think, at $11. And hold, guys, just hold. So my favorite coin is EOS, and the team behind it. So Brock Pierce is one of the advisors to EOS. Now if we go to tradingview.com, look up EOS. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Interactive chart. The thing about EOS is that its chart is one of the least volatile ones. I know you can disagree with me. You can see that deal right here up to $3, and then it went all the way back up. But compared when the recent sellout happened, when the profit taking happened, EOS did not take that much of a hit. It only stopped at $8.05. So basically it evened out with its trending range. Now I bought EOS at $7, as I previously said, and this is my favorite coin to buy and hold. You can trade if you want to, but I don't know, I think it's better to buy and hold. One more thing, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and join the course in the description below if you want to see the trades, the buy and hold investments.